Hi there, this is my lock, and today I am going to pick another lock from the pile. We will do this Yale, another all bronze 5-pinner. It was in a job lot that I got. Slight chip out of this one. Oh, I'll switch my secondary light on. There we go. Yeah, slight chip out at the bottom of that one. But other than that, it works fine. Reasonable bitting. And a good snap. What more do you want from a padlock? So, tension. I will use this tensioner. And where's my custom pick? I'll use my homemade one. So, pin 1. Pin 5, and we're open. There we go. Little Yale bronze 5-pinner. I do like these old Yales. This one looks like it had a coat of brown paint on it at one point. So, yeah, there we go. Beautiful locks. I do like them. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.